I'm going for the sisig for sure. You want the pork barbecue skewers or the chicken? Let's do it. The owner's name is Joanne. She came and introduced herself and asked if we wanted to try the family platter. And then she said this. Oh, agyaman. They brought out a whole sample platter. You saw this is pork intestines, kwek, fish ball, kikiam. What do you think? Good? Yeah? For me, I've got to have the isaw with the vinegar. Oh my gosh.
Can I try this?
This kwek is my favorite. Deep fried quail eggs. Let me dip it in there. Oh my gosh. There we go. The last fish ball. Wow. Oh my god. Thank you. Wow, that's a lot of food. Thank you so much.
Sorry for the...
No problem. Thank you. This is how you do it. Stir it up with the egg so the egg cooks. I love sisig so much. Joanne kept bringing out plates of food, so excited for us to try everything. Nagadoma. Gotta try this pork barbecue. That's the softest pork barbecue I've ever had. So flavorful. Here we go with the lechon. I need a little bit of sauce on that. Or some vinegar. Oh man. That's incredible too. Wow. Fantastic. Try the lumpia. Sweet chili sauce. Oops, went for a swim. I don't know what I expected, but this is really good. I don't even want to eat the rice because I want to save room for all the meat. I'm gonna try the pancit. That's delicious. Flavorful. Sisig with the pancit. Oh my gosh. There we go. I love that. Oh my gosh, that's good. We're gonna have a lot of food to bring home. This is crispy bongos or milkfish. You're supposed to have it with a little vinegar. I'm gonna put a lot. Perfect bite. Oh man, that's tender. Yeah, that crispy bongos. I love it. What else do you want, buddy? There we go. This is the tortang talong, which is the eggplant omelet. The pancit. Yeah, amazing. Oh, I love the flavor of that. Tastes smoky. It's delicious though. Everything. I'm gonna try the adobo next. This adobo looks saucy. Oh yeah. Chicken adobo. It's hard to beat. Here we go. I'm even repping the adobo shirt today. That is delicious. Wow. Wow, maraming salamat po. They just brought out the world's biggest halo-halo. Here we go. Mix it up. You guys want some halo-halo? Sure. Have at it. Of course. The biggest halo-halo in Arizona. It's gotta be. Here we go. Oh my gosh. I can't go home without trying this leche flan. This looks so good. Flan. Creamy. Perfectly sweet.
Thanks for visiting us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Thank you so much.